Hello loves and a happy spring cleaning. I have a short video for you today. I'm sharing today some of my favorite cleaning products from 2018 and some new products I will be trying out for 2019. So let's get started. First of one of my favorites is the Method All-Purpose Cleaner in Lavender. If you've been with me a while, you'll recognize this product from my Clean With Me's. I love it. It's all natural ingredients and it works. I use this on all of my surface areas in my home. Counters, doors, baseboard, window ledges, blinds, and so forth. I love the product and it cuts through grease and grimes and leave my favorite scent behind. So if you're interested in this product, you can get this at Target, Lowe's, or even Grove Collaborative. It costs approximately $4. Next favorite item is Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile Soap in Lavender. This cleaning product is my go-to for everything. Spray and wipe products are great, but there are times when you need some soap and water, and this is a must-have in my household. This soap has so many great organic oils in it. Coconut oil, organic olive oil, hemp oil, jojoba oil, great for your body, great for your hair and your face. I use it for my upholstery cleaning and conditioning. I also use it for my baseboards. I use it for my walls, my tile floors. I even make hand soap from this. This is a great product. My next favorite item from 2018 is Method Wood for Good Daily Cleaner. This product is my best friend from cleaning wood. As many of you know, I have a lot of wood cabinets in my kitchen and my multi-purpose room alone. I use this weekly on all of my cabinets throughout my home. It's safe enough to use daily, but what I really like about it, it leaves no residue behind. And it leaves a streak-free surface and it conditions the wood at the same time. So it's organic, it conditions, and it tackles grease and grime. What else do you need in a great wood cleaner? So the next item up is a cleaning tool. I only have one to show you today. This is one of my favorites. They're two scrubbing brushes by OXO. Love these for scrubbing hard to reach areas. They have a strong bristle and sturdy handle and has a good grip. The angle head really gives you a place to put your thumb to really get in those areas and scrub nicely. The large brush is great for cleaning grout, stove top, shower door tracks, and the small brush has a nice little built-in wiper where you can remove dirt from drains and crevices. Both of them are great for small tight areas. You can get the brush set from Amazon for $5.99. Now let's look at some products and tools that I will be trying out for 2019. This product is an air deodorizer. It's all natural. It's called Moso Natural Air Purifying Bag. It's a bamboo charcoal air freshener, deodorizer, and odor eliminator packed inside this bag. It's supposed to prevent mold, mildew, and bacteria from forming by absorbing excessive moisture. If you want to know more about the product, go to www.mosonatural.com. I will be using this inside of my refrigerator, coat closet, and trash can. I was using baking soda and activated carbon, but I was looking for something more efficient and cost-friendly. It has a hole to hang for convenience, and it could be something that you pet owners might look into. The instruction says you can rejuvenate the product by direct sunlight after a month of use for at least 1 hour. I'm very excited to see how this is going to work, and it says it lasts up to 2 years. I purchased this from Amazon for about $10. Okay guys, this is the last product that I will be trying out for this year. This is called Pure Natural Kitchen and Household Sponges and Scrubber. It comes with 6 in a pack for $15.98 at Amazon. There are 3 rectangle and 3 leaf-shaped sponges. It says it's odor-free, guaranteed, and no need to sanitize in a dishwasher or microwave. It should stay fresh and odor-free for 30 days or your money back. One thing I can say about this product right away is the color. I'm loving the natural color of it. So here's the sale pitch that they say it can do. It's a sponge that lifts dirt, grease, and grime like a magic eraser. It's supposed to suck it right up and it dries quickly. The no scratch scrubber side is made of walnut shells. So most of you are familiar with these walnut sponges. The pure sponge repels water to inhibit bacteria, but one thing they do not do, they don't absorb the water spill. And that's because it repels the water to keep from bacteria forming. Now they said the sponge can handle grease spills, chemical spills, appliance cleaning, bathroom cleaning, and garage spills, and plus 1,000 more cleaning jobs. The leaf-shaped sponge is supposed to be ergonomically designed to fit in your hand to clean those glasses and tight areas. Is guaranteed to be 40 times more durable than a competitor and is environmentally friendly. So again, I purchased this at Amazon for $15.98. They do have another color out there that you can choose from. That would do it for me, my friends. Hopefully I've given you some new products to try or try some of my favorites from 2018. I'll see you in the next video. If you love DIYs, decorating, organizing, and so much more, click the subscribe button and click the bell for new videos notification every week. Don't forget to visit my other social media platforms for ideas and tips to decorate, organize, or better your home living. Until the next time, my friends, smooches!